So before we start making Monday, I just want to say I swore up and down. I was like, you know what? We have DIY Saturday for skincare. It may change to doing other DIYs on Saturday, but it was just specifically about skincare. That's what DIY Saturday is. And I was like, oh, I'm not going to make it Monday about skincare. Well, you guys, I'm sad to say that this Make It Monday has something to do with skincare, but I think because we did the EOS, it's sort of the same thing, but you know what? It's skincare. So let's get into Make It Monday. Welcome to another episode of Make It Monday. Oh yeah? So in this episode of Make It Monday, we're making something really slimy, but hold up, if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe so you can join our awesome Ohana, and let's see if we can get this video to 30 likes. That would be so amazing. And let's get into what we're making today for Make It Monday. Oh yeah? So today we're making a peel off facial slime mask. I know. I said for the life of me, I wasn't gonna do skincare on this show, Make It Monday, but hey, it's a facial peel off slime mask. So you will need PVA glue, but before we go make this mask, I wanted to talk to you guys about PVA glue, because when we use it on our face, many of you may ask, oh, is it toxic? Should I use it? PVA glue is pretty safe. You know, I work like with children, and we use glue a lot with them, and the little kids, you know, we try not to get them to eat it, but if if you work with children, you turn your head for a second, half of them have it in their mouth. So this is just to let you know that PVA glue is safe to put on your face, and if I put it on my skin, you should know that it's okay. It's okay, because I am very picky what I put on my skin. So it should be okay. So we're gonna make this peel off mask. Now what we're using is gonna have, like, I don't know if this mask is gonna be cooling, but it's gonna be a slime peel off mask that helps reduce the appearance of your pores and makes your pores nice and clean. So you guys, let's go make our slime peel off mask.
So you want to start off with Elmer's Washable Clear Glue, which is non-toxic of course, and Pore Perfecting Toner, Witch Hazel. And now we're about to make this slime. This toner is really gentle on the skin, and it works well to remove dirt, oils, and clean your skin. So you want to start off with 1/4 cup of Elmer's glue, and you want to make sure you get all the glue out. You guys know how I'm obsessed with getting the glue out of anything, so that's how I roll. And then you want to start off with 1/4 cup of Witch Hazel. This stuff really works for the skin. You guys know I put it in my skincare videos all the time. And then you want to mix that together real nice. Now you want to add 1 teaspoon to 2 teaspoons of baking soda and mix it together really well. And then we're going to add contact solution once I get all of this out, of course. Now, contact solution is safe on the skin. If you can use contact solution in your eyes, you guys, you can use it on your skin. So it's really safe to put on your skin, and it makes this mask slime. So without contact solution, this really wouldn't be slime. So I added more because you guys know I really do not like a sticky slime. I do not like it, but I didn't want to add too much, so I just made this, and then I mixed it, and then it became a nice thick slime eventually. So I'm just mixing. So now it's pretty thick, you guys see. Now we're gonna put it on our face. Look at me, I'm so excited for this slime. It's pretty thick and it's fun. So here I'm starting, because I like a thick slime. With any slimes I do, I like it thick. I don't like it too sticky. I just added it to the skin, and of course I put it in my nose. I had no clue what I was doing here, you guys, so just bear with me as we put this on our lovely skin. It was really hard because it was so thick, but it was fun. It was fun, you guys. This is me, and I have it halfway on my skin, and now it's falling off. It's falling off, and so I'm just trying to put it on the places where I could not get the slime at. So that's why you guys see me doing it. Now I finally got it on. I'm happy. Now we're gonna blow dry it because it's a slime mask. You have to blow dry your slime mask, you guys. It's fun to blow dry it. So I'm just really blow drying it right now, and you know, I'm just having fun because it's a mask and you have fun with a mask. But then it got hot, and so I had to cool it down just a bit. So I put it on warm because it was super hot to me. So right now I'm just making sure it's nice and put on the skin. So now it's finally dry, and I'm trying to talk to you guys, but I just decided to do the voiceover. So we're just gonna peel the mask off right now. And this is sort of like a cooling gel mask. So it's really nice and easy to peel off, and it really keeps the skin nice and cool, and it helps with your pores, and it's really fun. So I'm just pulling it off easily, and because I didn't dry it out too much, you can still use it as slime. So this mask was really fun to make, and now I'm just peeling it off of my skin and making sure I get all the little pieces off. Make sure you have the blow dryer on low if you do decide to make this mask, because if you turn the blow dryer up because you want it to dry, it will burn your skin. So make sure you have the dryer on low. Now I'm getting it all out of my hair and wiping my face. I really hope you enjoyed this DIY, and make sure you subscribe to my channel.